Welcome back to Willie's Travel Ideas. I'm Willie, your guide to uncovering the world's hidden treasures and unique experiences. Today, we're diving into the world of local guided tours, those immersive experiences that take you beyond the typical tourist traps and into the very soul of a destination. You know, those fantastic experiences that take you beyond the tourist traps and into the heart of a destination. Local guides have a wealth of knowledge and stories that you won't find in any guidebook. We're headed to Fenton, Missouri, a charming town I recently had the pleasure of exploring. Nestled in the heart of the Midwest, Fenton is a place where history, culture, and community come together in a delightful blend. Now, Fenton might not be the first place that pops into your head when you think of travel hotspots, but trust me, it's full of hidden gems. From quaint little shops to historic landmarks, there's something for everyone. And what better way to uncover those treasures than with a local guide? These experts can show you the best spots, share fascinating stories, and give you insights that you simply can't get on your own. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into the benefits of local guided tours and why they should be on your travel itinerary. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just someone who loves to explore, there's a tour for you. We'll also be showcasing some of the fantastic tours Fenton offers. From walking tours that take you through the historic downtown area, to culinary tours that let you taste the local flavors, there's something for everyone. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure with Willie's Travel Ideas. Whether you're planning your next trip or just dreaming of new destinations, we're here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. Now some of you might be thinking, Willie, why bother with a guided tour? I can explore on my own. I have a map, a smartphone, and a sense of adventure. Why would I need someone to show me around? And while independent travel has its merits, let me tell you, there's something special about having a local expert show you around. It's like having a friend who knows all the best spots and stories. First off, local guides are like walking encyclopedias. They have a wealth of knowledge that goes beyond what you can find online or in books. They're bursting with knowledge about their city's history, culture, and those fascinating little details you won't find in any guidebook. They can tell you about the hidden alleyways, the secret stories behind landmarks, and the local legends that make a place truly unique. They can tell you stories that bring the destination to life, making your experience much richer. Imagine hearing about the town's founding from someone whose great-great-grandparents were there. Think about it. Wouldn't you rather hear about the Battle of Fenton from someone who's passionate about their town's history? Maybe even had ancestors who fought in the battle? It's these personal connections that make the stories more vivid and memorable. That personal touch makes all the difference. It's not just about the facts, it's about the passion and pride that local guides bring to their storytelling. And speaking of personal touch, local guides can tailor the tour to your interests. They can adjust the itinerary on the fly based on what you want to see and do. Are you a history buff, a foodie, an art enthusiast? No problem, they'll customize the experience to match your passions. You can dive deep into the subjects that fascinate you the most. Whether it's exploring historical sites, tasting local delicacies, or admiring art, your guide will make sure you get the most out of your visit. Now let's talk hidden gems. You know, those off-the-beaten-path places that only locals know about, the spots that aren't in the guidebooks or on the tourist maps. It could be a charming little cafe with the best apple pie you've ever tasted, or a secret garden tucked away from the hustle and bustle. These are the places that make a trip truly special. Imagine sitting in a cozy cafe, enjoying a slice of pie that melts in your mouth, or wandering through a serene garden that feels like your own private oasis. Local guides know all the best-kept secrets, and they're eager to share them with you. They take pride in showing off the hidden corners of their city. They'll take you to places you wouldn't even think to look for, giving you a unique and unforgettable perspective of the city. It's like having a backstage pass to the real Fenton. Plus, by choosing a local guided tour, you're directly supporting the local economy. You're helping to sustain the community and keep these unique experiences alive. These tours often collaborate with small businesses, restaurants, and artisans, ensuring your money goes back into the community. You're not just a tourist, you're a contributor to the local culture and economy. Now, let's bring this home to Fenton. This charming town has so much to offer, and local guides are the key to unlocking its treasures. One of the most popular tours in town is the historic Fenton Walking Tour. It's a journey through time exploring the town's rich history and beautiful architecture. It takes you on a journey through time, exploring the town's Victorian architecture, charming antique shops, and fascinating historical landmarks. You'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Imagine strolling down streets lined with beautifully preserved homes, each with its own unique story. Your guide will bring these stories to life, making the past feel present. Your guide might point out a particular house and say, "That's where the town's founder used to live," or legend has it that house is haunted. These anecdotes add a layer of intrigue and excitement to your tour. Another fantastic option is the Fenton foodie tour. This one's for all you food lovers out there. It's a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. You'll get to sample some of the town's most delicious culinary creations, from mouth-watering barbecue to decadent pastries. Each bite tells a story of tradition and flavor. Imagine sinking your teeth into a juicy slice of slow-smoked brisket at a family-owned barbecue joint that's been around for generations. The flavors are rich, the atmosphere is warm, and the experience is unforgettable. Or savoring a warm, gooey cinnamon roll at a local bakery, the aroma filling your senses. It's these simple pleasures that make travel so rewarding. The Fenton Foodie Tour is a feast for the senses, offering a delicious way to explore the town's culinary landscape. And if you're a fan of the great outdoors, you have to check out the Merrimack River Kayak Tour. It's an adventure that combines nature and excitement. This guided adventure takes you on a scenic paddle down the Merrimack River, where you can soak in the natural beauty of the area. The river is calm, the scenery is stunning, and the experience is peaceful. Picture yourself gliding along the calm waters, surrounded by lush greenery, the sun warming your face. It's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. You might even spot some local wildlife, like deer grazing by the riverbank, or a majestic bald eagle soaring overhead. These moments of connection with nature are truly magical. These are just a few examples of the incredible local guided tours Fenton offers. Each tour is a unique experience tailored to show you the best of what the town has to offer. No matter your interests, you're sure to find an experience that will create lasting memories. Whether you're into history, food, nature, or just exploring new places, Fenton has something for you. Remember folks, travel is about more than just checking off destinations on a list. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, connecting with people, and creating stories that will last a lifetime. It's about the moments you share, the people you meet, and the experiences that stay with you long after you've returned home. Local guided tours offer the perfect opportunity to do just that. So next time you're planning a trip, consider booking a local guided tour. You'll see the destination through the eyes of someone who loves it, and you'll come away with memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for tuning in to Willie's Travel Ideas. We hope you enjoyed this episode and found it both informative and inspiring. I hope this adventure to Fenton inspired you to consider local guided tours on your next trip. These tours are not just about sightseeing, they offer a deeper understanding of the culture, history, and hidden gems of a place. Remember, these tours offer a unique and enriching way to experience a destination, connecting you with the heart and soul of a place. You get to hear stories and insights that you wouldn't find in any guidebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and ideas. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you, and be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your travel experiences and suggestions. Have you ever been on a local guided tour? If so, what did you enjoy the most about it? Was it the stories, the hidden spots, or the local tips? What was your experience like? Did it change the way you see the place? Share your memorable moments with us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep those travel dreams alive. There's a whole world out there waiting to be discovered, and we can't wait to share more journeys with you. And for more travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. Thank you.